Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a stop to your route in Waze. So Waze allows you to add a stop to your current trip without completely ending your navigation. So this is useful when you need to stop for fuel, food or another destination along the way. So for example, you only need first to start navigating to your main destination. So for example, we go with this destination and here you will need to go with go now. And now you will need just to tap the ETA bar at the bottom of the screen. And then you will need to go with scrolling down. And here, as you can see, we have add a stop. Right, so just search for the location you want to visit, such as the gas station, the restaurant, or store, parking, etc. And select the correct location from the search results. And also you can review the location, route, and then just tap add stop, right? And the Waze will update the route and guide you to the added stop before continuing toward your original destination. So it's important to know that Waze may limit the number of stops so you can add to a route. Okay, so if you need to visit several locations, you may need to add them one at a time or create a separate route. So always make route changes before driving or while safely parked to avoid distractions. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.